Hello everyone, meteorologist Brian Hale here with a look at this exploding, expanding group, line, cluster, overall group of thunderstorms moving to the east across Starr and Hidalgo counties now, threatening not only folks from McCook to Edinburgh to Lynn San Manuel, on in down into McAllen, La Jolla, and on now east into Edcouch, Elsa, Monte Alto, Raymondville. We have thunderstorm warnings galore. Here you can see we have thunderstorm warning in effect till 11:15 for southern Hidalgo County, but then eastern Hidalgo County, that's in effect till after midnight, as well on into western Willacy County, as we expect all this to keep moving to the east. So there you see till midnight for western Willacy County, including Raymondville, as it pushes on to the east. And the history of these storms is fairly violent, with wind gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour and hail in excess of 3 or 4 inches. I'm going to go ahead and move off and let you see some of this data real quick, and you judge for yourself. Right on there in the middle, you've got yourself hail being reported. There's 1 3/4 inches. There's 1.5 inches. There's 1.5 inches. That's good that it's died down a little bit. There's 1/2 inch hail, and on the backside, 3/4 inch hail. North of Sullivan City, 1 inch hail still in those cells around southern Starr County near La Gruya, and then more on back in 1 inch hail toward Rio Grande City. So there's plenty to go around, but at least the 4-inch stuff has died away, thank goodness. Earlier over rural Starr County and rural northwestern Hidalgo County, we had 4-inch hail showing up on radar. So I shudder to think of how that's all playing out. Anyway, we've got that cell in there. You want to take a look inside of it? Let's do that. And you can see the tops up there near 60,000 feet in the air. And you see that core in there producing hail, heavy rain, and whatnot. They're north of Alton and on toward Citrus City and McCook, and all continuing to move to the east between Edinburgh and Lynn San Manuel. This is going to continue to be a fairly risky situation, certainly dangerous for farm animals and property. If you stay indoors, you should be all right. But anyway, you can see this hail tracker showing how this big core hail has moved on down across Starr County and on into Hidalgo County, as we pointed out there, north of Alton toward Citrus City and McCook, and then on toward Lynn San Manuel eventually. So it's important to stay away from this stuff. Don't go out looking at it because we talk about 2.5 inch hail. That's tennis ball size. 4-inch hail, what we had earlier, and we don't see reports right now, softball size. And I've only reported that a few times in my more than 30 years doing this. All right, now we're talking about future radar and where this is all heading. It is expected to continue to head to the east. That's why the thunderstorm warning has been expanded into Willacy County until midnight. And again, looking on in from Edinburgh to Elsa, Lyford, Monte Alto, La Sarra, you're all in this together, moving on with this system. Now, basically, this was all kicked off by a grouping of events, one of which was a disturbance moving out of Mexico, heading east on into South Texas and drawing up moisture and energy on into the valley, into the upper valley, where we had anticipated most of the aggressive activity to be western Starr County and out there. But now it's decided to come on in. Sometimes when your atmosphere is stable and you don't think you're going to get thunderstorms, if the thunderstorms are big enough and they get close enough, well, they can make the atmosphere unstable all by themselves, especially as they collapse and give off a big gush of air. They'll just go ahead and kick up another thunderstorm right on ahead, or just keep the machine going. Just keep it going, rolling along as these thunderstorms grow and blow, and then they die down, and then they just keep doing that same process over and over again. And you can see here on through 7 o'clock in the morning, we're still expecting activity to be pushing on to the east. Lightning, wow, yeah, it's been a real show out there. We're going to have some, I've got some video coming in here pretty soon from the Edinburgh area and whatnot, and we'll show you what's been going on out there. But for the most part, it's been a real light show. And rainfall totals have been fairly dramatic as well. I'm going to let you chew on those for just a second as we continue to see that we have a lot of activity going on out there. And as far as Edinburgh is concerned, let's take a look at our Edinburgh camera and see how things are going out there. Yeah, you see right now, all is well, no problems. But again, it's all a matter of wait and see. We'll have more video coming in as the night progresses, as these cells continue to move off to the east. But I want to remind everybody that there is still plenty of hail involved in all of this as it continues to move on to the east, now moving on in nearer Edinburg and Lynn San Manuel. And so those of you who may be getting ready to head up 69, maybe you've got a late night thing going on, I would hold off for a little while. Otherwise, just stay indoors and let this activity pass. But we're still seeing plenty of growth or sustained activity near Rio Grande City and La Grulla. That's going to continue to move on to the east. Now let's take a look at what we have left. Our thunderstorm warning in effect till midnight tonight includes Alton, Edinburg. See, the overall trend is for this the heaviest cells to move to the northeast. So our thunderstorm warning has now basically been left with the midnight run. It's in effect till midnight, including Lynn San Manuel, Edinburg and Alton, Monte Alto, Elsa, Edcouch, Raymondville, and on down and just skirting around Weslaco and then ending at Mercedes, before Mercedes, and then it'll maybe be extended more to the east or to the northeast, and that's in effect until midnight for Willacy and for Hidalgo County. So this is definitely worth noting. And again, I told you that northeast movement, that's right there. You can see little arrows pointing to the northeast as this all kind of slides east. The strongest, heaviest activity in the center is all moving. Yeah, you can see that last update there. It just kind of glides a little bit north as it moves east. That will more than likely shield McAllen from the worst of it, give Edinburg just the southern edge, and then on down. When you talk Brownsville, I know I've kind of left you out, Brownsville and South Padre Island and Port Isabel. Odds are this batch you're going to miss out on. That's the odds. There's potential for more developing out west and for more activity to come across the old 83 corridor and then on back down in to southeastern Cameron County. That's a possibility later overnight tonight toward morning. Going to have a whole other batch. But I think this is pretty much going to play out the atmosphere quite well for tonight as this continues to move to the east. It's a big batch, that's for sure. So we still have thunderstorm warning in effect, as I said, for Hidalgo County and Willacy County until midnight. All right, as conditions warrant, we'll let you know what's going on.